Okay, now you are given two positive integers a and b, and you're asked to prove, okay, this equality is correct. And what you have to do is to firstly record a fact that the least common multiple of a and b is equal to a times b divided by the greatest common divisor of a and b. Okay, and from the same formula we have the least common multiple of b and a plus b is equal to the product of these two numbers, b times a plus b, right? Divided by the greatest common divisor of these two numbers, b and a plus b. Okay, then the next step we need to do is to show the two denominators are the same, okay? The two greatest common divisors are the same to prove, okay? These two greatest common divisors are the same. Okay, we may let a, b, the greatest common divisor of a and b is d, and the greatest common divisor of b and a plus b is e, okay? Since d is a divisor of a and a divisor of b, okay? D divides a and d divides b, okay? And so d divides all the linear combinations of a and b, and therefore we have d divides any linear combinations including a plus b, okay? And now we have d divides b and d divides a plus b, and therefore d is a common divisor of a and of b and a plus b, right? And therefore d is less than the greatest common divisor of b and a plus b, and this is e, okay? We have shown that d is less than or equal to e. And on the other hand, right, and because e is a divisor of b, right, e divides b, and also e divides a plus b, and also e divides a plus b, and so e divides any linear combinations of a and b. And here, right, we choose the linear combination of b and a plus b is a plus b minus b, okay? This is a linear combination of a plus b and b. Therefore, e divides a plus b minus b is a. And so we have, right, e divides b, right? And also e divides a. Therefore, e is a common divisor of a and b, and therefore e is less than or equal to the greatest common divisor of a and b, and this is d. Okay, and now we have on the one hand d is less than e, and on the other hand less than or equal to e, right? And on the other hand e is less than or equal to d, and therefore we have d is equal to e. Okay, these two numbers, these two greatest common divisors are the same. Okay, now we move to the right hand side here, right? Okay, we just proved that the greatest common divisor of a and b is the same as the greatest common divisor of b and a plus b, okay? And therefore ab times a plus b, ab times a plus b, these two numbers divide on the one hand b a, okay, ab, right? Maybe ab, okay? And this sign we defined AB times A plus B by the greatest common divisor of B and A plus B. Okay, now these two numbers should be the same because the two denominators are the same, right? And therefore, okay, you can see what is on the left hand side. If we put, okay, the least common multiple of A and B back to this equation, we have A times B times the least common multiple of A and B. Okay, and on the right hand side, we have, from this equation, right, we have A, B times A plus B, B times A plus B divided by the greatest common divisor of B and A plus B, right, is equal to this number. Okay, this is an A here, right? So we have A times B, the least common multiple of A, B and A plus B. Okay, we have the identity.